Namaste everyone. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. Today we are going to make a vintage paper. Let's get started. You will require a white paper. I had already boiled tea powder. Pour it in a plate. Dip the paper carefully. It will give an old paper look. When it is dried completely, burn the sides of the paper. If you had liked the heart candle which is on screen, watch heart candle tutorial in Valentine's Craft Ideas playlist. Your vintage paper is ready. You can use these papers for your projects or for giving vintage love letters to your loved ones. If you had liked this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.